When writing Python code, you will invariably end up importing and then using a lot of Python libraries. There are several libraries which can be downloaded in the form of Python packages, and there are different ways in which you can do it. One is to make use of the pip Python package installer, which can be used to download and then install Python packages by making use of the command line or the shell of your OS. However, it is also possible to make use of the PyCharm IDE in order to install such packages. And that is exactly what we will demonstrate in this video. Specifically, we will see how we can install the pandas package, which is used in order to represent data in the form of a data frame. So let us begin. For this, we head over to our source directory and we will create a new Python source file. We will be importing and making use of the pandas module. So we will call this one module.py. And I'll just go ahead and paste the code for this. Now this is going to be rather simple because the purpose of this demo is to merely show you how PyCharm can be used in order to install a Python package. So you'll observe that at the very top, we are importing the pandas module into our source. There is a jagged line underneath the text pandas, and this is to indicate that this particular module is not available. This is because pandas has not yet been installed on my system, and if you don't have this library either, you will see a similar jagged red line. As I had briefly mentioned a little earlier, pandas is a library which can be used to represent and manipulate tabular data in the form of a data frame. I won't get too much into the details of this library, but we'll discuss the kind of data we will be storing in a pandas data frame. So this is going to be a table which is represented by this variable information, and it contains 3 columns. These are the study hours, the playing hours, and the sleeping hours of an individual for 4 different days of the week, Monday through Thursday. Within the information dictionary, the keys represent the column headers, and the values represent the corresponding values for 4 different rows. Each row represents a specific day from Monday through Thursday. So within the function my_info, we first print out the message that this is my routine, and then we initialize a pandas data frame object by calling pd.dataframe, whose arguments include our dictionary data, which is the variable